Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Dove breast, often overlooked, offers a tender, rich flavor. Cooking it perfectly unlocks a surprising gourmet experience, much quicker and simpler than you might imagine. This lean, dark meat, when prepared correctly, truly rivals the finest cuts, delivering a uniquely satisfying taste. It's a wonderful way to enjoy the bounty of the hunt, transforming a humble bird into an easy, impressive gourmet meal for your table. Start by thoroughly cleaning your dove breasts, removing any remaining feathers and shot with care. Pat them completely dry. This crucial step ensures a beautiful, golden brown sear. A light seasoning of salt, black pepper, and garlic powder is all you truly need. This simple preparation highlights the natural, rich flavor of the meat, making it ready for your preferred cooking method, enhancing its inherent taste. Pan-searing is the quickest way to cook dove breasts, locking in their natural juiciness. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat with a tablespoon of your favorite oil, like olive or butter. Sear the breasts for just 2 to 3 minutes per side, aiming for a delicious medium rare. The key is not to overcook them. This preserves their tender texture and prevents them from becoming tough. Rest them for a few minutes before serving. Grilling adds a delightful smoky depth to dove breasts, perfect for outdoor cooking. For an extra layer of flavor and moisture, consider wrapping each breast in a thin slice of bacon. Grill them over medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes, turning often to ensure even cooking and a crispy bacon exterior. The bacon also protects the lean meat from drying out, resulting in a wonderfully tender and flavorful bite every single time. Serve your perfectly cooked dove breasts immediately for their peak flavor and tender texture. They pair beautifully with a variety of sides, perhaps some wild rice, roasted root vegetables, or even a light, tangy berry reduction. Enjoy the unique, rich taste of this often underestimated game meat. It's a true culinary delight. This simple approach ensures every bite is flavorful, a testament to proper technique and careful preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.